Here is Mrs. Olson's multiplication tip. Okay, let's say you're given the simple times table of 4 times 8. And for some bizarre reason, the 4 times table has been erased from your memory. You can't remember a thing. Okay, here is a tip. With multiplication, if you half one side of the times and you double the other, you will get the same answer. So if you half the 2 and double the 8, it will give you the same answer. Let's see if that's true. Half 4 is 2. Double 8 is 16. We can half and double again if we want. It will always still give us the same answer. So half of 2 is 1. Double 16 is 32. Well, there you go. 1 times 32 is easy. It's 32. 2 times 16 is 32. 4 times 8 then is 32. Very good tip to have. You can use this even with larger numbers. So let's just erase what we have here. What if you had 14 times 12? Okay, then I can half one and double the other and I'll still get the same answer. So let's half the 12 this time and double the 14. Half of 12 is 6. So then I have to double the 14, which is 28. I can half and double again if I want. Half of 6 is 3 and double 28 is 56. Or I could have chosen to half the 14 and double the 12 from the beginning. I could have halved that one and doubled that one. It does not matter which one you half, as long as you double the other one. So half of 14 is 7, and double 12 is 24. Okay, well you just have to take my word for it here that I'm going to do the easiest one. 3 times 56. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 5 is 15 and 1 is 6. So that's 168. 7 times 24 is 168. 28 times 6 is 168. 14 times 12, therefore, is 168. A very good tip to have. And as a matter of fact, it's not just halving and doubling. As long as you divide one side by a number and times the other side by the same number, you'll still get the same answer. So for example, if I had 24, let's see here, 24 times 3. Okay, and this time I could half and double, but this time I'm going to divide one side by 3. So I'm going to divide 24 by 3. Therefore, I will have to times the 3 by 3, because I have to do the opposite operation to each side. So if I divide this by 3, I have to multiply that by 3. Let's see. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's see what happens now then. Let's half and double now, because it doesn't matter as long as you do the opposite operation to each side. So if I decide then to half the 8, I'll get 4. Double the 9, I'll get 18. I know that 8 times 9 is 72. 3 times 24 then is 72. And 4 times 18 is 72. They are all the same, as long as I divided and times the opposite operation to each side of the multiply. If you find this complicated, just stick to the halving and doubling. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.